Do, 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 do. Okay. One second. Right, 1 second. Scan QR code. What up, chat? How are we doing this Monday morning? Okay. I think that Zoom's worked. Oh, fuck that. Yes. Host. Alright, we'll see how this works. 1 second there, guys. Okay. Share screen. Instagram. Welcome, chat. How we doing today? We're back in business. Alright, got that all sorted up. Wicked stuff. Right. Okay, here. Welcome. Morning. How are we doing? Welcome. Morning. Today is looking like a good day. So let's have a look at GJ. We are looking very nice for GJ, I think. So, first thing we need to look at, is what is price doing right now. Ooh. Let's get rid of this. Let's get it all ready. Welcome, morning to a new Monday. Let's go. So let's start on the 4 hour and the daily. So yesterday's daily closed bullish above resistance again, which is good. Not yesterday's, Friday, which is interesting. We also haven't had a top wick yet, which is very good. I'm happy with that. So the daily time frame, which is going to be yellow, is here. So if we flip, we're very likely going to flip because we haven't made a top wick yet, which is interesting. So that kind of gives my bias already. Let's have a look at the 4 hour flips right now. Just on this line here. You can see that this is the clear support that we've been holding on the 4 hour, which is really good. Tapping this area again and rejecting off it. Really good. We've got a nice little resistance here. If we close in 16 seconds time above this resistance, this is going to look good. So if I do this here, we've got a resistance at this level, which is the 4 hour flip right here. So if we do get a close, which we haven't got, unfortunately, above this resistance, it's grand. But we're waiting for the low wick to form anyway. But this is the kind of resistance here. This is the support down here. So we are in a little zone here. If we look at this here, we're just clearly in a little zone right here. We need to wait for a break above this resistance, which could happen right now. But because we didn't get a close above, I want to wait till the bottom wick to form a bit more, which is fine. Let's look at the hourly. Yes, the hourly has percentage. It's already exceeded the high of the previous. It's looking good. This 15-minute as well is looking good. Stop loss is going to be a bit too big at the moment, so try and wait for a lower wick. But if we do start exceeding here again, how far can we go from this resistance here? We've got 14 pips. This is nice. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at my OBS. Right, looks like we're running. Come back in the zone here. I might take a buy on this position. Let's have a look right here. Let's have a look at what time is it now. A lot of traffic here, but with volume, you should expect price to start pushing, to be honest. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Yep, so I'm going to take a trade here. Open trade, let's go. And I'm going to have my stop loss. Let's have a look here. Going like about here. Stop loss is going to be here, which is about 10 pips away, which isn't too bad. Let's have a look here. Right, so yeah, about here. Nice. So expect with volume here, we should actually see these highs here, and start to increase with the price up here. We're bringing volume into the markets here, we should be good. How am I going to manage risk? Well, if we do flip this candle bearish, I may take off 50%. So I'll do this with my magic keys right here. But we're running nicely now. Oh yeah, squad. So we should come back up to the here. So we've got a nice little zone to fill up here, which is what I'm looking at. Potential buys right here to the tops of these highs again. Wow, guys, here we go, here we go. Get them likes up in the stream, guys. We're in a trade already. Lovely stuff. Getting some volume in here. Nice. Here we go, here we go. I need to actually check Forex Factory as well to be safe. Let's have a look here. No, it's alright. Japanese holiday. God, there's quite a lot of Japanese holidays at the moment. Wow, guys. So we're running up 3 pips right now. Lovely, lovely stuff. So how am I going to manage risk here? Well, if you look left here, we've got this zone to fill up. We got get to this zone here. I'll be taking off probably about 8%. Because of this resistance here, we can see this clear resistance right here, right here. So there should be one right here, maybe. We will have a C. We'll have a C. To be fair, this zone isn't actually that big, which is a bit unfortunate. Let's have a look here. Still probably get about 10 pips from it. We'll have to see. So 15-minute time frame. How am I going to manage risk? Well, if this does flip bearish, like here, I may take off 50% of this trade because I don't really want it to flip bearish anymore. So here I'll be taking off 50%, but I expect with price and volume to start pushing it above here, which will be nice. And we haven't even flipped the daily yet, so yeah, this is good. The reason why I got it early is because the daily hasn't flipped. The 4 hours looking bullish, the hourly is looking good as well. All of these different consolidations. Open stream already in profits. Actually, Rebel lol morning. Oh yes, squad. Give them likes up, boys. Let's just get the Instagram video up. We are already live stream. We're up 3 pips already. We got a nice GJ buy, got in early, breaking the resistance. We're up here. Get them likes up, boy. Make sure to join the stream. Let's get them pips, man. Like the stream, yes, sir. Okay, so we're coming up back to this resistance here, which I'm a bit fishy on. So near this point, I'm actually going to start to put my stops to break even. So we're up 4 pips now, which is very, very good. Happy with that. I'm going to give it a bit more time though, but yeah, we're looking good. Oh yeah! So I got in about this point right here actually, so I got in a bit later. And nice! But yeah, with volume, I think we should be good. We've got a close above on the 5 minute. Nice work, nice work. So it's good that we're making this 4 hour support right here. Damn. We should continue here. It's just this daily I want to flip, which would be really, really nice here. That would be so nice for it to flip there. 100%, 100%. And continue back up to these highs again, which we need to be at. Lovely stuff. Welcome, welcome, chat. Welcome, welcome. We are coming to the zone here, so at the moment I am going to start to think about putting my stops to break even at this point. I'll wait a bit more. If you see any kind of downside momentum, kind of want to hold it. How time is it here? So we have 8 minutes for this closure here. Yeah, I still feel pretty confident in this, to be honest. So this is good. This is good. So I got in before the 8 o'clock here. So definitely 8 o'clock on starts with a break even. If we do exceed the low here and flip this candle, I'll be taking off 75%. That's to manage risk. Because I don't really want this 50-minute to flip now. We should be leaving this zone now. And with volume, we should be pushing up to these highs again. So I don't really want to take it. So that's how you manage risk, guys. You know, this is how you need to learn to manage the risk. You know, how can you get out of this trade? Well, if you flip here, we're still back in the zone again, rejecting this high. So that's a really, really good way of getting out of things. So are my magic keys here, and if you do pass this zone, you'll see me close custom, which is 75%. Welcome stream, 18 viewers already, man, on a Monday morning. Let's go, get them likes up. Broken down here, making support, closing above resistance, nearly waiting for the volume to push. You can see here we're pushing nicely now. To flip the daily candle, which will be very, very nice. So I'm still wary of these levels here. So just wary. Should have a bit more volume up to 977, then I'll probably take some profits there. Welcome guys. Got any charts for me to look at, guys? Give me some charts. So yeah, today very, very good because the daily needs to flip here. That's why I liked it. Oh yeah. So much volume we got. We've got a lot of volume coming in the markets here. You could actually get some nice pips. So let's screen my next TP above here. It's my full one here. Gold woke up in shoes of violence. I looked at gold a second ago there. It's fucking, no, it's flying. So now, guys, look, we're quite high now. I'm gonna put my stop loss break even. Here we go. There we go, guys. Stop loss at entry here. We're at 5 pips. We're coming back to this resistance right here. Can you see right here? So I really need to see how this works. This could blast off here. I'm only at 5 pips, so I'm really not too bothered if we were to get stopped out of break even. But I think with volume we should be good. So I'm gonna hold this here. Because we should fill up this zone right here. It's just made. But I am curious of this. So this is what you need to look at. You need to always look left and go right. What's gonna stop me in the way? Got a lot of resistance here, but I expect price with volume stop pushing above this zone, which will be fine. But at that level anyway, we should take some off because it's about 9 pips. That's not too bad. So yeah, lovely stuff, guys. Nice morning trade. Did I stream that? Yes, I did as well. Wicked. So yeah, managing risk here, guys. Put my stop loss to break even. I expect price to still push up, but we'll see. Getting in early, so the hourly's looking good. The 4 hour looking good. Last one was bullish, made support. Daily hasn't flipped yet, so this daily flip can be very, very nice. Considering the last daily closed above resistance as well. So the main resistance I saw for the daily here was this zone here. Yeah, right here. Now we've closed above twice. So where do you expect price to go? I expect price to fly. Thank you very much. I'll start looking at gold in a second. Just give me a second, just in this trade. Come on, you can get me a bit more pips. We need to get to like here. Oh yeah, that'd be nice. Gold woke up. Cheers. So let's have a look at gold here then, guys. Let's have a look at gold here. Let's just move my other. Right, nice. Oh, why am I just doing this, bro? What the fuck? Here we go. Gold. Gold, baby. Gold. Oh my god. Oh my god. So gold had a massive dip yesterday. Not yesterday, on Friday with the news, which is great. Wowzer. So you can see that the level actually we tapped here. Went straight through it, tapped it, and now it's rejected straight off it. Daily needs to flip, which is here, which is a yellow line, as we do, and the 4 hour needs to flip there, so it's 4 hours already bullish, which is good. Let's do that a bit more. Lovely, lovely stuff. So we've got our little zones here for our time frame. I'm just checking on GJ here. We're coming back to entry, 3 pips away. Which doesn't look too good. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, that's fine. I did say there's just resistance there, but I was happy to hold it with volume. But you can see we tapped this resistance right here. Maybe I should have closed some there, but hey ho. So I'm at 1.8 pips now, coming back to zone here. So this 50 minutes is going to close in 3 minutes time. Will I have enough volume to stay up? Don't think so. I wanted to get in about here, but yeah, it slipped. Only asking you 1 pip, that's not too bad. Still a really good entry, happy with that. Here we go, right. Let's get back to gold. So, where are we looking at gold now? Wow, so this is just retracing. So today, wow, so what time did that open? Wow, so usually start making some bullish candles here. And it's just retraced all the way back up. Amazing. So now the next resistance is probably here. So it's probably like you're gonna just travel back up to here. Could have a little pullback. So it's made support like in this level here. But nothing much going on with gold today. It'll be very, very volatile. I advise leaving gold today. Welcome 22 viewers. Break even on GU for me this morning. Also, mate, lovely, lovely stuff. Mine is still running nicely here. So that is really, really good. 4.8 pips, 5 pips. Let's go, let's go. It's starting to make some thing here, which is really, really good here. 24 viewers. Welcome, welcome to the stream. Good Monday morning. Yeah, of course. Lovely stuff. This is what I am looking for. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. I hope this can stay on, guys. Yeah, here we go. Give me some fucking volume. Come on, give me some volume. Lovely, lovely stuff. Right, let's have a look at this chart then. That's someone sent. Capital Guy. Nice stuff. Let's have a look here. Oh my god, by the way, who was on stream on Friday? Fuck me, I got so many copyrighted. Oh my god. I got copyrighted to fuck. I mean, I knew it was going to come. I wanted to try it. It was quite funny though. No, GJ. Stay up, you bitch. Come on. Here we go. Right, let's have a look here. GJ buys above 152.977. Yep, I think that's a valid area because we had resistance at this point right here. So if you get a close above, that'll be nice. Made some support. So sells below here. Yep. Trading range. Yep. I got in at this point here to get into to buys, but my stops are break even pretty fire. I don't expect price to push it. Yeah, that's great though. So wait for 977. That's a great idea, I'd say. Lovely, lovely stuff. Lovely, lovely stuff. So we are coming back down now. It's 5 minute. Look at this 5 minute. It can't hold this resistance, I don't think. So we've got a closure here. Lovely, lovely stuff. I still think that price is going to push nicely, but at the moment we're coming down here, and it's going to hit my break even. No, 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 no. Yeah, so it's hit my break even there, guys. But this has got a closure now, so this is actually even better to get an entry, to be honest. You wait for the low wick to form. Yeah, let's wait a bit more. So now we've actually got a closure above. So safer buys will probably be above here when we flip the daily. Let's have a look at the 4. Let's look at this hourly. So hourly's retracing quite a lot there. This 50 minute is the thing I like. We've closed above. But let's just wait. So it's too close now to get into any trade. Let's say I say wait until 8 o'clock. See where price does, because you could get a pull down. Live your energy, yes man. Lovely stuff, man. Get them likes up, guys. So let's see. Let's write on here. We got a break-even trade. How do we do this here? Trades called. Trades called. Here we go. There we go. GJ buy break even. Even though I still think this is going to run, unfortunately. But now we've got the close above. I mean, oof. Just wait for these 5 minutes to kind of print a bit more. Rather come down a bit more so we can get a better entry. But I'd be very, very curious to see where this 30-minute closes, to be honest. It's safer to just wait for this 30-minute to close. Because it's hourly. If this hourly pushes down and closes here, we know that this is a solid resistance. So my trade that I got into there ran, 6 pips. Not enough for me to take profit. It's not enough for me to take profit. GJ buys break even. Lovely, lovely stuff. 7 likes in the chat. Morning, everyone. 24 viewers. Let's go. So if this candle does flip, it's a good opportunity. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'd be lying if I said it wasn't. Yeah, so we're flipping again. So if I wait for this hourly, this is the issue here. Because the price couldn't really give me much signs of bullish, I'm going to be waiting for this hourly to close here. Even though I think a lot of people could take this. Flipping above, stop loss below either the previous or the current. Because these 5 minutes are printing quite bearish here, seeing that resistance is forming. So I'm going to wait for this hourly to close. I want this hourly to close above resistance here. Yes, sir. 9 likes in this chat. Jeez. So, yeah, it's just this kind of traffic here, which I said we were going to reject. We might reject at this point. Maybe I should have taken some off here, but you know, I want my 10 pips, boy. I was expecting to flip this line here, but we haven't done so yet. Let's have a look at this. Oh, look at this. It is looking nice. This is looking tasty. This is the 8 o'clock candle, bro. I'm fucking entering in this. I'm just trying to think. Right, so that's 2 pips. Yeah, this is looking nice. I might go for it again, to be honest, lads. I'm not gonna lie. So look at this 5 minute. Yeah. The spread I get on this though, bro. So now 8.50, nice. Yeah, so still gonna probably enter here. About here as I got in, nice. And my stop loss is gonna be over the previous here. And meet again. For me, that's a big no trade zone. Why did you enter? I was trying to get early for this push here. But to be honest, you are right at the left hand side here. But I'm at break even right at this point, so let's have a look here. Due to the fact that we're printing really nicely here, and I can see this 4 hours starting to push really solidly. Also the hourly is good. All time frames are on our buyers here. The daily is what I want to flip right here. But you're all right. Waiting for the 8 o'clock is grand as well, I'd say. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get out of this one. Let's have to wait. Go to this 5 minute push in nicely. No, I'm gonna hold it. I'm all right. I'm all right. As long as you stay in this zone here, I'm happy. Very much so. All the candles are pretty bullish here, guys. The strong supporting zones are really, really good down here. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. But this traffic here is oofing, to be fair. So buys, I think you take the wrong one. It's very choppy. Yes, sir. Very, very choppy. Very, very choppy. This is why I got my stop loss very, very tight. I've got it under this 5 minute right here. So I have a 3 pip stop. So I'm really not too bothered, to be honest. So I've got my stop loss here. And I think with price and momentum here, it's only past 960. So when we get to 960 right here, my stop loss could break even. But But this is a good risk to reward here. I've got 9. I've got literally a 3 pip stop. I'm going to take this every day because we've actually closed above now. We've made the lower wick, so we should expect price with volume now to start pushing above and actually flipping this daily candle right here. And if we can't, I lose 3 pips. What a shame. Sing a song, Saya. Sing a song, boy. I should have kept my other one on, to be honest. These 5 minutes looking good. We close bullish in this one, and we don't exceed the low of it. We're goody. We're goody. We're goody. Look at this volume here. So yeah, because volume's coming right now, I'm very, very happy to hold this trade on with a 3 pip stop loss. Oh yes. So let's have a look. Let's make some. If you guys got any charts for me to look at, please feel free to send me them. I'll be looking at them ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. And TPs, well, TPs are really, really looking to get in early here, taking some profits off here, and furthermore up here. But yeah, so obviously the traffic here, but this is also Asian session, so I'm going to take it with a pinch of salt. Because we're getting clean candles here, and volume's coming in at 8 o'clock, I'm happy to take that trade, and we'll just see. But a 3 pip stop, I'll take any day, any day. And this is a closing above, made the lower wick, so I'm happy to take this with the 3 pip stop, 100%. 100%, boy. Are you guys not worried about new hour lower wick? Yeah, exactly. That's fine as well. I'll take that with a pinch of salt as well. But to be honest, at 8 o'clock, I'll see if I can put my stops to break even at that point again. But 100%, I mean, the last week, the amount of fucking hourly candle lows we didn't get for ages was fire, so I'm alright, I'm alright. Said we want playbacks, 11 likes in the stream. My TP is daily FIP, then if we get there, I'll leave a runner. Nice, yeah. That's nice, that's nice. Lovely, lovely stuff. So yeah, this 30 minutes can close in 6 minutes time. That's going to be juicy. Hourly's going to close above this resistance here. We're good, we're good. But yeah, if you see a move that you can get a nice 3 pip stop on it, bro, just go for it. 100%. Gold is just retracing. Yeah, I'd leave gold today, to be honest, guys. It's probably going to be iridium 5. Just leave it. Just leave that shit. Just let it go. Let it breathe. Here we go, guys. In a profit here. But yes, you guys are all very, very good here. I can see you like, oh, look at the zones here. Very much so. I completely agree with you. This is why... This is a very, very risky one, but I know for a fact that if volume comes in, we're going to be good. And I've got a very, very tight stop loss. And as volume starts coming in, we start pushing up, my break even is going to be here. So, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes. If you guys got any charts, please feel free to send them. I really want to look at more charts, guys. I would love that. I kind of want to give giveaways for people who got charts. Also, if you looked at the t-shirt, she's got a scent, man. Fire. Fire, bro. Fire. Oh, yeah. Make sure you check him out, actually. He's on Instagram, Pip Rick. He's doing some merch, man. Here we go. Here we go. We're taking off, boys. We're taking off. Second entry, boys. Second entry. Bit of volume coming in. Bit of volume. Bit of volume in. Come on. Come on, GJ. You know how we roll. So this hourly's going to close in 4 minutes time. This is looking good. It's looking good here. So it's 5 minute. It needs to close above 96 for me to expect price to push even further. But apart from that, nothing much going on. My TP is daily flip. Lovely, lovely stuff. Get them likes of guys in the chat. Being more aggressive this week. Because last week I missed a lot of London moves, and the hell no, I'm not doing that today. If you guys are new to the stream as well, make sure to subscribe, because I'm here every morning, 7:30, and an NY session will be with Controller Effects. yes. Oh yes. You see the volume starting to come in here, guys. So let's have a look here. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. So volume's coming in. Does I expect price to push? We've already exceeded these highs here. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. We haven't exceeded the low of the previous, so I'm happy with that. This week would be good. Last week was all about fundamentals. This week is bank. Yeah. This week is banks. So we're really holding this level here, which I don't really like, to be honest. I'm gonna give it one more chance to push. If you can't do it, I'll be a break-even boy. It'll be another break-even trade. Waiting for close above 153. Yep, good idea, good idea. They're safe, safe, safe. Very much agree on that. Just this three pip stop just enticed me. Oof. Oof, yes. It's like when you go into like a restaurant and like they give you like a discount. I'm like, fuck yeah. Like it's like half price on mains. Like, bro, I'll just get 2 mains, man. Oh, this cup of tea's cold already. Bro, I do that every morning, I'm not gonna lie. I get intrigued in the charts, forget I've got a fucking brew and just fucking miss it. So you can see now we're closing in 2 minutes time here. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, I don't really like how this 5 minute is printing like this, to be honest. So I might just keep more. If you exceed this low here, I'll take off the full and I'm gonna wait a bit longer. Buy USB cup warmer. Oh fuck yeah, such a good idea. I need one, man, because yeah, a lot of times I just forget about it. I'm like, bro, come on. Where's my cup warmer, boy? Where's my cup warmer, boy? Come on, boy. Get this volume up, get this volume up. But yeah, so this hourly's going to close right now. It's going to have to make a lower wick, so I am very, very enticed to get out now. I'm just trying to wait for this closure to be a solid hourly closure here, even though we've got a lot of traffic to the left here. And also we check FOREX Factory. FOREX Factory is good. Got no news. Got no news. And we're Gucci, man. We're Gucci. We're Gucci man. Gucci man. So it's going to close in 55 seconds. Wow, let's go for 8 o'clock open. London volume. Let's go. Let's see where we can go here, guys. If this 50-minute closes like this, though, oof, 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 oof. No me gusta. No me gusta. No me gusta. But we need to start and get some volume. Come on, close 15, nice. This closes nicely here. Should be good, but yeah, further buys 153 will be a nice level. If we close doji like this, oof, I'm taking off most of my position. Hell no, hell no. I need some nice clear candles, nice clean candles going up. I don't want no half-hearted shitty doji candles, which is what we're gonna get right now. Yeah, we go, but I'll wait for this low wick to be formed right here. I'm out of this trade nearly. I'm gonna keep it on anyway. Still 3 pips. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna say that it's gonna melt. There we go. There we go. Coming to my stop loss nearly. But if we break here, if we break these highs, bro, we're flying. But this 50 is pushing down now. We're exceeding the lows. We're gonna tap my stop. We wait for this. Oof. There we go, guys. So we're out. And look at this. So let's have a look at the higher time frames here now, guys. So let's have a look at the hourly. Hourly's made a low wick here. In the first 59 minutes, this is great. This is what we're looking for. So we got a close above in the 30-minute time frame, which is even better as well. So yes, buys above this region here is going to be solid buys. Let's have a look here. 5 minute here. Lovely, lovely stuff. So this is just making the lower wick here. This is really, really positive. Oh yeah. So break even in at -3, but I was happy to take that. But yeah, as you can see here, guys. So last week we didn't get any bottom wicks, and as you can see, most times we do. But that's the risk I wanted to take here. So now we're flipping. Now we're flipping. Get my calc in. Right, now we're going. Now we are going. Right. Open the position here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, GJ. Here we go, GJ. Here we go, GJ. Who's a 7 pips profit? Who's a 10 pips profit? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go in the chat. Let's go in the chat. Close half. Close quarter. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that volume. 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 Oof. Oof. Look at that volume. So, see, guys. So, obviously, I got in a bit early there, but hell yes, I wasn't missing that one. My God. Look at that volume, boy. Look at that volume, bro. Holy shit. So, I got in at 961. Where did I get it in there? Yeah. 961 right here. Holy shit, guys. That was some keep calm, mate. Keep calm, mate. Bro, let's go, let's go. Kept my stop loss below 30-minute candle, lovely. Runner just got hit, I'll break even there, guys. That is the trade, holy shit. So, let's have a look here, let's have a look here. Daily flip TP, baby. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Lovely, lovely stuff. So, continue buys is looking good if we get a closure above here. Yeah, daily's going to be flipped now. Lovely, lovely stuff. Wow, if you see that volume though, guys, you have to be quick. So if you look here, we pulled down when we exceeded these highs here, 9.6 here. We were good, and you got 10 pips straight away. Just keep calm, mate, bro. If I kept calm on these streams would be boring, bro. Like every other fucking forex stream on YouTube. Mine are different. Mine are different. Stay to my guns, bro. So, I got a total today of 7 pips. 7 pips. Lovely, lovely stuff. So let's have a look at this. What day is it today? Yeah, there we go. Lovely, lovely stuff. So let's put this on here. GJ break even. Now let's do GJ -3 pips. And GJ plus 10 pips. So total 7. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. 26 in the chat. Lovely, lovely stuff. Making a bit more volume. You got in that flip, blow. Yeah, got in that flip. I actually got in. I should have got in the flip like here. I got in here. Yeah, I got in exactly where I wanted to, exceeding these highs of volume. Yes, sir. So let's have a look here. David, did you get in any of them there? Lovely, lovely stuff there, guys. So,
yeah, I got one.
Lovely. How did you get in there?
I actually took GU because it looked a bit nicer to me.
Let's have a look. Actually, yeah, I should have checked GU actually. Let's have a look at GU there, guys. Yeah, I should have checked GU actually. Let's have a look at GU there, guys. Yeah. Oh God, yeah. Wait, so it's cleaner on the left. Let's have a look here. Lovely stuff. Wait, am I mute on Zoom? So I can hear. Hey, 1 second. 1 second, guys. Just sorting out Zoom here. There we go. David, I can hear echo. I think you've got my stream up on the other thing. Wait, how do you? Can you hear me through Zoom? I can hear echo. So this is good questions, guys. Keep these questions in. So Wendy, when you say you have a 3 pips, oh sorry, bro. Yeah,
is a little bit cooked.
Is it?
You really hear properly.
Oh fuck. Okay. Okay, don't worry about it, David. I can still hear you. Yes, all good. So Wendy said, when you say you have a 3-pip stop loss, do you enter the same position size you always do, or do you go in with less risk? So I go in with the same position size. And the reason why I go with the same position size is because of that specifically, that we've got a nice 3-pip stop. I want full risk. So because it's literally, if I risk 1.4, 1.5% normally, I'm only risking I'm only risking a third of that. So it's really not too bad. Look at that. Oh my god, the rejection, bro. What the fuck? Jeez. So you can see we tap this daily. It's made his top wick. So that was kind of the whole bias here, guys. So the reason why we were so happy to get in this trade here is because the daily flipped. Oh yes, we got some W's. Actually, yeah, I need to do this. Wait. There we go. Let's get some W's in the chat. Let's get some W's. Hi, don't you trade on metals, silver, micro? No. I only trade gold and GJ. And gold is only specifically for certain hours of the day. So if you look here, I only trade gold when gold is needed to be traded. So I barely even do markups here because gold is when gold. So if you look at gold here, guys, gold here, 130. Got a trade there. Let's have a look again. 130 volume. 130 volume. So can you see in the space of 3 days the volume comes at 130/1 or 2. That's the time I look at gold. I don't really look at gold at lunch session because there's no point. Just wait until the volume comes. It's so much easier to get a trade. So what am I looking here now, guys? I'm really only looking for a closure above this resistance. So I'll be looking for something like this. Let me just zoom into this chart here. So I can see that there is resistance right here. And you can see we're actually making a little resistance here as well. So what I'm looking for right here is a closure above this zone, like this. So this is what I'll be looking for right here. To then come and retest the highs of the previous right here. And that's what I'll be looking for. So, and I'm happy to take them trades again, especially with volume coming. We're good. 12 likes in the stream. Lovely stuff. So yeah, it's more likely to maybe wait for the 30-minute to close above here to get a good realization if we're going to close or not. Let's just do it here. So yeah, the reason why I want it here is just because I want the daily to be flipped onto the bullish side now, and I want to exceed these wicks here. Thanks for your reply. No bother. Get them likes up in the chat, guys. Let's get 20 likes in the stream today. 20 likes. But yeah, guys, if you've got any questions about a trade or anything, feel free to ask. This merge is sick. This is by Pip Rick, by the way. It's fire. So go on my Instagram, it's here. Sick, boys. If you've got anything about trading psychology, I don't really get that many questions about psychology, and I don't know why, because it's the most important thing. It is the most important thing. Psychology and how you deal with losses and winners. Obviously, guys, so when you saw there and I'm winning a trade, I'm like, yeah. This is actually probably not the mentality to do it. The reason why I do this is to get a niche in the live stream market. But basically, you should be calm in both winning and losing. But I try and spice it up and make it as fun as possible. Mainly for the fact that traders on YouTube can be boring. But mainly, what you need to do is have the same kind of emotions from a winning trade and a losing trade. And you saw when I took my losing trades there, I didn't care. I literally just don't care. Because I knew actually. Going back to it now, I could have easily have got in there by literally just waiting for this closure, waiting for this 745 to make a candle close above as well, waiting for this lower wick, and then when we start exceeding, we'll be good. And yeah, so don't be worried about taking losses, but you need to know if you're profitable or not by keeping your losses small and your winners great. And that's just a good example today. Got a nice, lovely trade. And the -3 pips that I got there is just cashed out easily, fine. Easy peasy. I watched some money trading psychology from Jeff. It's amazing. I learned a lot. Lovely stuff. From Jeff. Who's Jeff? Jeff's got some good trading psychology ones. I actually did do a trading psychology one on my Google Drive, which I kind of want to make for people to have. Let's look at Google Drive. Let's have a look here, guys. Not this one. Let's have a look at Stop Loss Matters Google Drive. Let's have a look here. Oh shit, yeah. So look, Stop Loss Matters. So is this it? Jeez, wait. Did I actually do the video? Did I record the video? I must have. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look. So this was the what webinar was this? Oh, that's a presentation. Okay, so this is psychology and risk management webinar. So let's have a look here. Let's see if there's anything interesting on here. Look how young I am here. What the fuck? Let's have a look here.
To learn about that,
so this is me going. This is me going through the markets here. And this is about psychology and basically talking about probability. So lovely stuff. And then actually,
you did a range trade and you tried to make some money straight away.
My voice sounds so different now. What the fuck? Let's have a look at a risk management one as well, actually. So I might make these free for everyone because this will be fun. So this is back at my uni house. Jeez, look at my bonnet there. What the fuck? God, look how hairy I look as well.
There we go. Yeah, someone. You were right to close.
Look at this. This is fire.
You know, if you cut half at 5 pips. And
so look at this cut in halves. This is literally exactly what I was talking about before.
You're gonna have about 7.5 pip loss for that trade.
Lovely, lovely stuff. So yeah, this one here, guys. This is the one about you know, cutting losses. And you saw there on my first trade, which was break even. There, I said if we flip this candle, I'm going to take off 75%. This is what we mean by partial stop losses, basically. And the next one, yeah, the smaller time frame. So if it's starting to range on like a 5 minute, you can just close your stop losses basically. Squeezing them in, I call it a squeeze, which is really, really good because there's no point holding, you know, holding your full 10 pip stop loss, whilst you know it's starting to range and not doing exactly what you want it to do. So why would you keep the biggest stop loss? And a break even is better than a red. Which is facts. I take a lot of break-even trades, a lot of them. Specifically last week, for some reason, every fucking trade I was in got to 8 pips and then rinsed to my fucking break-even. So annoying. I watched so many trading psychologies. Yes, gold and silver was down for 2 consecutive days. Many has shorted for 2 days as the trend was sell. Identifying trend is a little difficult. I don't want to drop another YouTube page here. Seems unethical. YouTube page. Oh no, that's fine. No. Put it in. If you've got good psychology, I'm a guy for growing with everyone. I don't want any of that stuff. Just yeah, happily put it in. If you've got good psychology, that'd be great. Oh, Jez Capital Hungry. Yeah. There is one you have on Google Drive. What was that? Lionel Richie? Lol. Already liked and subscribed. Just bumped into your channel as I was looking for a channel who is live on commodity trading. Ah, lovely stuff. Yes. So commodities, but you can just do currency as well. So look at this, guys. Wow. So you can see that price has not closed above. We're also making a really big resistance here. So you can see now, if we actually take this off here, we have got a certain resistance at this level. And it is in this choppy zone here. Okay. The only reason why I was looking for trades in this zone here is because I was happy with the London volume that we were going to push, at least to flip the bullish, the daily, which is exactly what we did. But now when candles are printing like this, it's not looking good. So you can see here, if we go back in here, we are making some clear resistance right here. And if we do get a closure, a 50-minute closure below here in this back of the zone, we should be filling this zone back up. And then sells could be quite valid later on when we exceed these lows here. But this 4-hour candle here needs to flip. So you can see that the 4-hour and the daily candles are, you know, not together now. So one's bullish and one's bearish. So we have to just wait here. The only reason why I was looking for buyers here is candles are pretty bullish. We closed above resistance. I was very happy to take a trade there. But look at this, melting. So in 30 minutes time, if you get a closure below here, we should be filling up this zone right here that we have made. But yeah, very, very choppy here. So the only reason why I was happy with it is because of London Open. But now I wouldn't touch it. How to open order from Magic Keys from the on-screen version. Bro, it literally takes 10 seconds. So look, I do open calc. That sets my parameters. And all I have to do is press open trade and then it'll activate it. That's all you have to do. And then when you want to stop loss to break even, you press this. When you want to close custom or half, all this, it's in the instruction manual. It's grand. And yeah. Wow, look at this rejection, boy. So 21 viewers, guys. Let's get this up, man. Lovely stuff. Let's get some more likes in the chat. Only 14 likes, bro. We need a good 25. We're doing well, guys. We got a dub in the chats. I got 10 pips. I also did a break even and a little 3 pip. But look at this. Closing above. Wait for the London volume to make its low wick, which was here. Then we started flying. As you can see now, price is rejecting. But if you guys are not came already, please feel free to join. Join onto my YouTube channel right now. We are live. Lovely stuff. 22 viewers. Amazing stuff, guys. But yeah, like psychology is a really big thing, and I want more questions on that from people because that is what I struggled with when it started. And yeah. So as you can see here, guys, we're coming to the 4-hour flipping bearish here, which is not a good sign. You can see that there's a lot of resistance right here. Let's look at GU. Exactly the same. Let me just take all this off here. So look, we are flipping the 4-hour right here now, guys. We are flipping the 4-hour. The daily is also going to flip. The last one was bearish. So this is interesting, actually. This is looking quite good for sells. So let's look at the lower time frames here. Look at these big wicks to fill here. Nice. So continued by sell, would be probably down to this zone here. Or you could get them here. This is kind of a little kind of support here. Was this made it Asian? Yes, it was. So this is Asian, so I'd say take this with a pinch of salt. Let's have a look left here. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it should be alright to come back down here, back to these zones right here. So wait for a nice closure maybe below here. Wait for the top wick and then start exceeding. At this point here, you'd have your stop loss to break even and then continue. Very nice. Very nice. So let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah, the 4-hour is not too bad though. But these long wicks here, these are really good targets for sells. But you can see here, so we did get closures above this resistance right here. For this candle here. But then we rejected. This candle closed back in the zone, made its top wick at 8 o'clock, and then started falling back down. And then filled up this zone here. So this is what we were looking for. Zone to zone, and this is what we've tapped. Amazing stuff. So you have to wait for this to get a nice closure below the zone here, and you should be good for sells. Gold is still chilling. So not a lot of volume since the Asian. So wow, look how much it retraced. So if you got in like times it like here, oh my god, imagine 663. Foo, we would be flying. So need like 1,000 pips, bro. That's mad. That's mad. If you guys got any charts, make sure to send them to me, guys. But yeah, so this is looking mad. So this resistance, you can see. Let's just move this. I'm going to move this to here now, because this is the resistance that's just formed. The reason why I've picked this place instead of any others is because this candle here closed. This candle here couldn't close above this resistance. So this is the new resistance right here. and we're falling back down now. So the 4 hour is going to flip here. This is my blue line. If people are new to the stream, the blue line is the 4 hour flip. So if you look here, we're about to flip, which is really interesting. Wow, look at that pressure, bro. So you can see price came all the way back up to this zone, closed here, didn't close here. So where is price going to go down? Likely going to go back down to this zone here if we get solid closures. So yeah. And Forex Factory is good. Let's have a look at this week. So let's have a look tomorrow. We got GBP retail news at 12 AM. Lovely stuff. Let's have a look here. The bonds. So there's nothing much tomorrow either, which is good. The next day you got CPI, core CPI at 1/2 for USD. Still nothing for GBP. This is good. House price balance over here. Oh, 7 AM. So why is that 12 AM then? This is 7 AM. 7 AM, there is a lot of news. Wow. So past prelim GDP. Oh, wow. So you're looking good here. So just to make some positive news in here. 100%. So this is on Thursday, and then Friday, what have we got? Friday is a dead Friday. Wow. So it should be a very clean week. There shouldn't be much volume because there isn't much news coming out. This is much spontaneous volume. So it's volume that you can't really predict. Yes, sir. 20 viewers in the chat. Lovely stuff, guys. Let's have a look here. Let me share this boy. There's Discord. Oh my god. By the way, my new monitor, guys. Oh, so fire. If you haven't seen it already, bro, it's so nice. I do like it. Let's do this. Oh, I'll get my Steam account off. But yeah, like the more frames, bro. Oh, it's just so much nicer. So much nicer frames. It's like this monitor is 165 frames now, but bro, the difference is just ridiculous. It's clean. It's nice, man. So yeah, we're just waiting here, guys. If you've got any charts, you need to send them to me, guys. We need to send them. And what happened last week? So were you guys profitable? Were you guys not profitable? Tell me how last week went. Was it a good week? Was it a good bad week? There was a lot of volume at some points. Got a spontaneous volume, especially London was, I think, in my opinion. So this candle's going to close in 5 minutes time, guys. 5 minutes time. It's going to close back in the zone here. But yeah, very choppy. As you can see here now, because the open's already finished, this zone here, right here, is rough. We don't want this zone, okay? We're going to be looking for sells below this region here. That is where I'll be looking for the next trade. So let's see. A lot of these zones here are a bit oof. So 12 o'clock. So yeah. So it does have support here, but also has support here as well. So probably sells below this region, I'd say more. Because if you get in here, then you're going to be worried about this stuff. So rather just wait for sells below the big support right there. 100%. Chat health is good. We've got 20 viewers as usual, man. Lovely stuff, guys. Same with GU's got a closure above, but still couldn't, and it closed back in. And what happened? We pulled all the way back down. This made its top wick at 8 o'clock and then started flipping. Bro, that was lovely. That. Some people could have been in. I mean, buys here and you exceeded the high, but if your last one closed bearish, like the thing is here we didn't close bullish right here, so I was very happy for the buys there. Look at this. So yeah, this is why I say, after a big news event on Friday, you need to expect gold to just chill for a bit. It already pulled up quite a lot. I mean, nearly over 1,000 pips. So now it's going to be probably ranging. So I advise just leaving gold for the next couple of days. Wait until it kind of like settles again, finds its price it wants to sit at, and then get some nice trades from there. But look at this daily. So this daily's pushed all the way down here. Tap this zone. If it closes above here, we can see that this is a very, very key level, a key support level here. Yes, sir. So that's like 18 pips until here. So look at the hourly. So the hourly still got, so the hourly buys, if we do stop pushing above here, are still valid because we haven't exceeded the low of the previous of the hourly. But the 4 hourly is bearish and kind of doji candle right now. 15 minutes, a very, very strong bearish. So you have to wait for the closures. But yeah, safer sells will be down in this zone here. And buys, I would only look for now is above here when we get a closure above here. Because now the London volume's gone, I want to be more safe in my approach instead of just spontaneous, and that's what you do. 16 likes in the chat. Wow, well done, guys. Thank you very, very much. We're growing every single week, man. We got so many. We got 400 hours of viewers last week. That's fire. 400 hours, bro. Jeez. Very, very, very nice. So yeah, these are still valid. So let's have a look in 2 minutes time where this closes. It closes probably below the 4 hour. Oof, there's no buys. There's no buys right now. But yeah, this choppy kind of stuff here is not tasteful at all. This is why you have to wait, especially after the London Open. London Open you can get in very, very nicely, but after the London Open it's relaxed. Price moves a bit slower, so you can't get them spontaneous moves that we just got before. GU, 50 minutes going to close bullish. 30 minutes going to close like this, but it's closing back in the range, so it should still fill up this range quite nicely here. And yeah. Oh shit, is my OBS 1 second? 1 second there. It's overlapping, man. Do like this. Nice, there we go. So you can see everything. Lovely, lovely stocks. Right, Max, if you don't mind, do you consider that good profit or bad profit considering the zone we are in? Well, this is so. The good thing is that this is what I'm expecting this week. So this week I came into the markets. I looked on Sunday, and what happened last week? Well, a lot of volume came in for London. So taking that into account, with volume pushes, I'd happily enter them again. Because I know that I missed a lot of trades last week just because I was just too scared to get into it. So this week my goal was to, if it was the London Open, happily take those trades. Especially with the daily had no top wick, I was expecting price to push above that. But now because the volume's gone and the London Open's finished, I would never take that trade. But because the London volume is there and we're closing bullish, we've got a closure, we've got a 30-minute closure above this resistance here. I expect price to exceed and basically fill the zone, which it did. I always happily do that, and I'll do that every day because of the volume, the London volume. But for any other time of the day, I won't. Even like NY I wouldn't either because NY doesn't have the volume that London does. But I can see that London, I'm missing a lot of trades specifically because of volume. Max, you trade NY too, right? Which is an easier price action-wise and volume-wise. Yes, I trade both. This week I can't though because I'm with my girlfriend and stuff like that. But so NY is a lot cleaner, as in like the trades are a lot smaller and not smaller, a lot slower because the volume is just a bit less. The volume is quite nice. You can get in quite nicely. You can wait for the candles to flip, and it's more chill. Whereas London's quite spontaneous. So London's got a lot of volume, but can be more aggressive. So just trading more aggressively. Yeah. Because last week, I mean, I didn't trade aggressively, and all of the moves I could have caught, and I would have been balls deep in some prips. Even though I think last week I got like 4%. I could have easily got 12. I just did that. So I was like, yeah, this week I'll try. But only like obviously estimated, waited for these 30-minute closures and stuff. So look at this 15-minute, this 30-minute closed. bearish. We're going to be exceeding the lows here. So where's price going to go? I expect price to push down here now, back to 700s right here. So I'll have to see if we get a closure below here to continue. And where would we head? So all you have to do, guys, is look left. Where are you going to head? Well, we're going to head back down to these zones here, because as you can see, once it was support, once it was resistance. So this is the next zone. This is the next zone. And this is a lovely, lovely zone because it's clean, 30 pip zone here. So that's why, yeah, you could probably get into a trade here. I don't know where your stop loss would be. It'd be pretty hard, but yeah, 60 pips to move here. But this is the cleaner side if you wait for candles to close. If you wait for more candles to close there. 16 likes in the chat, guys. If you haven't given a like yet, please feel free to do so. 20 likes in the chat, I would love. I've noticed that London has been giving many fake outs on GJ as of lately. Retraces and gives the push during NY. Sitting on my hands for now. Yeah, exactly. I think London is quite spontaneous, so I advise if you're just a bit scared for it, wait for NY. Yeah, NY will give more options. But at a certain point in time, I am 100% waiting for these candles to close. I want this, like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then to make its top wick up here, and then to go. And we're looking to the left. There should be clean candles. Wow, that's what I'm looking for, because very, very clean, and with price being very, very clean here, we should mimic this here. That is the whole bias, 100%. That is the whole bias. Let's have a look here. So yeah, we're closing back in the range here. As I said before, we should be filling this back down to these lows right here. So you know, just testing your price action. You don't have to enter these trades. You just, you know, make sure you know like what's happening, what's going on here. You know, where should price go if we close back in this range? We should fill up the zone here. Just like the easy kind of stuff, which makes it a lot easier. A lot easier. Joe Victor, thank you for subscribing to my channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. We gained like 120 subscribers last week, which is very, very nice. Very, very nice. Fire, bro. So yeah, you can see the 4 hours bearish now, the daily's bearish. So the bullish kind of momentum here is gone. It is finished. It is capooshed. So the first 8 o'clock here, we pushed all the way up, and then went nope. We went nope, hell no. So people getting in here, oof, that'd have been rough. If you got an impulse there, you would have been in profits by like 5 pips for like literally 10 seconds. It went voof. And that's why I kind of want to get in earlier here, just because there's resistance here. And I knew if price gets back up to this zone here, I'm going to make about 12 pips, whatever, 10 pips, something like that, and I can my stop loss to break even. So that's why getting early can sometimes be quite good for your setups, because you can take off positions at next resistance and still make some nice 10 pips. If this was further away, even better. If this was closer though, I wouldn't have entered, because I knew I could get 10 pips out of this. So that's what I did. That's what I did. That's what I did. So yeah, we're just waiting here. Let's have a look at GU. Hasn't made its top wick yet, but yeah, it should be floating back in this zone right here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm just, wow, look at that gold trade, bro. Look at that gold trade, man. That is ridiculous. Ridiculous, ridiculous. Right. So that's a really good start. Nice 7 pips to start the week off nicely here. Really, really solid. But yeah, as I said here, the hourly close made this bottom wick, and yeah, really, really solid trade there. Just 30 minutes. Needs to just relax, take its bottom, make its top wick, and then it should be good. Should be good. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. Guys, the chat is dead today. I think Mondays is quite quiet. I think everyone calls hack Mondays. Sundays they're busy, but normally like Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, busy days, busy days. So you guys are OGs, guys. If you're up on Monday mornings, wow, Monday mornings. Or what a lot of people do is they wake up in the morning and they look at this. Wait, shit. They look at this range here, and they're like, yeah, fucking sack off London, I'll wait until NY. That's another thing that a lot of people do. I used to do that quite a lot, to be fair. But then actually, the times that I sacked off, like London session, was always really, really nice trades. I'm like, what? Like 2 nice trades. I'm like, bro, I'm missing the opportunities, man. So look at this, like here, we're just chilling on this 4 hour here. We're chilling this 4 hour flip. That's all we're doing. Repping the merch as usual. Jeez, I actually really like this. It's cozy as hell. Really liking it. It's fire. Consistency is key, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, getting to the charts every day. Like, if you just miss a trade, like the amount of times I just miss a day, and then that would be the best move. I'd be like, oh fuck's sake. You have to turn up every single day. Oh wow, look at this volume coming back in. Okay. But yeah, now because the London session push is finished, I'll be waiting until we get a closure above here. And a closure below here, so I'm actually going to write this. So buys above 153.023. Nice. Right here. And then sells will be right below here. Sells below 152.700. There we go. Easy, easy stuff. Easy, easy stuff. And then this kind of traffic here, yeah, there's no trade here. And this is why I think people will be, less happy to jump in this stream today, because GJ is just very much ranging at this point here. But you never know, though. This is the thing. People who don't come in every day, one 15-minute candle with a lot of volume in can do this, like that, and then we're in for a trade. We're ready to go. And people will miss that, so that's why you have to be here every single morning, without fault, boy, without fault. So daily here. Yep, so daily's still bearish. Very, very interesting. So yeah, the volume's died down really much here. Actually, so let's see. So it was Japan holiday. Let's see the Japanese session, Asian session. Let's have a look here. So like all of this. Yeah, so it didn't really move a lot at all. So take that with like how much you know. So if there's a bank holiday, don't trade, because you can see here. This was Japanese holiday, and you can see it's literally only moved like 10 pips in the whole session. So there's no point. Just save your time. Just don't turn up. Just wait the next day or wait until the next session. Then get some real value. Real value. So if this hourly, yeah, holding resistance here, closes in 20 minutes time. That'll be interesting to see where we're at. For sure. As I said here, guys, if you are new here, you can always send charts in the chat. All you have to do is get your camera here, save chart image or copy chart image, and do this. Oh shit, is that changed? Is that button changed? What the fuck? Why is it changed? Why is that changed now? Copy link. Is it copy link? Yeah, so you copy link and then you go into the chat here. So this is the chat here, chat window. It'll look a bit different to yours, but then yeah, so look, I copied it in here, and then you take off this bit and then just send that. So then when I can go on it, I can literally grab this. So this will look like a screenshot here. And this is what I kind of want. I want a detailed description of, you know, what you guys are looking for here. So I'll do this here. Oh, did I screenshot the whole thing? And here we go. There's my chart. So very, very easy to do. And yeah, try and do like buys above, sells below, range, etc., etc. So you can see now, if you go back to the charts, that this zone here is like fucking rangy ass. After our little push, we got our trade, but now this is range here. And you can see it's really hovering on this 4 hour here. Really, really holding it. It doesn't really know where to go. It's like, bro, where should I go, man? But this you can see it's also been a couple of support points at this zone. So you got all the support points here. 1 second. All of the support points here. It had a support here. Had a little support here. So it could have a little support here, and then later on it could start pretty nicely again. Let off to the moon. That's what we'll be looking for later on. Later on. 1 second there, guys. Just going to the toilet. I'll be back. I'll be back in a sec. Do do do. Flash crash. Just seen Ted on Instagram has been talking about that gold crash, bro. That gold crash. Oh my god. It's a pretty bad one. But so this is the thing. Next time when there's NFP and there's a big drop, big move, remember Asian later. As I said here, though, guys, we'll be coming back up to this zone here. Tap in 1764 for sure. Let's see how you could have got in for Asian. So Asian, that kind of starts here. I mean, even here, I mean, like close below right here, bro. 11. Exceeding the lows here. Stop loss above, like here. 20 pip stop. Oh my god. That'd be fucking sexual. Holy shit. And what you do is you wait for this to close, wait for this top wick, and then the flip, and then you'd have your stop loss here. Just trade your stop loss whenever. And I mean, trading your stop loss would be fine for all of that. Jeez, that could have been nice. So if you risked 2% here at 20 pips, and then you, I don't know, trailed it on the 5 minutes. Have a look at the 5 minute. So trail it here, then wait for this top wick, trail it here, wait for this top wick, trail it here. You would have got stopped out. If you had trailed it here, you would have got stopped out here. So 1707. 1707. Yeah, it's like fucking 600 pips. 600 pips. Fuck me. Imagine. So if you risk 2% there, oh my god. 2% on 20 pips, now you get 600. So you only made 60% of your account on that by risking 2%. That's mad. 60% of your account just in one swoop. That would have been juicy. But next time you know NFP, if there's big news, wait until Asian later on. And there'll be some nice moves there, 100%. We've got another candle closing bearish. Waiting for his top wick again, but you can see, as I said there, when we got this candle close here, we were going to fall. It hasn't moved that much though, so closed back in the range here. Still hasn't hit 10 pips in the zone, so people 100% would have been taking them trades, but still hasn't hit 10 pips yet, which has been unfortunate. Because there's so much traffic here, there's just no point. We're still hovering on the 4 hour. You see here, so when 4 hours and stuff are just around entry, you don't really know where it's going. You just need to chill here. Oh wow, look at this. Flipping. Get down to these lows, boy. It's 8:47 right now. If it breaks the zone here, it'll be good. That'll be good. It's very, very quiet today. Very, very quiet in the stream. Very, very quiet in general, I think. Let's look at this hourly. It's hourly flipping back up. Oof. So that's completely different towards GJ and GU are very, very different today. Yeah, look at this zone, bro. Like, oh. So it's just learning how to get out of this fucking thing, but eventually will. Trades last Friday. Oh my god, I was holding the trade for fucking hours. Where was it? Was this yesterday? Where was it? Here, bro. Oh my god, right. I was in a trade, right, and this is the most annoying thing, right? In a trade, I was expecting news to come out and volume to come in. I got in about here, 80. I got in at 152.80, so like here. Stop loss below here. My TP was above here. The news came out, we flew, and I literally, oh my god, got my magic keys out. This thing fucking drops all the way back down to 1888. I got out here, I'm like, oh my god, really? If I just held it on for like 2 more minutes. My source was break even straight away as well. Never came back and just went phew. If you literally look at the 5 minute, like it has a little like stutter here and just goes woof. I'd have made like fucking 20% then, motherfucker. 20% in that week, that would have been fire. That would have been fire. So you can see, like, even the 4 hourly here, guys, the lots of traffic here. So it's gonna have some problems here. Lots of traffic here. So it's not the cleanest at all, to be honest. But hopefully in NY session there should be some good movements, to be fair. 15 minutes time, this is gonna close. But this is why clear zones are really important here. This is why I've moved my resistance to here now, because this is the real resistance right now. The key resistance. Music's vibey, music's vibey. Is my volume still full right? Let's have a check. Yeah, looks good, looks good. Was my audio a bit loud? Is the music a bit loud, guys, or not? Just tell me, just tell me. Oh, look at this, yeah, so when you zoom out you can tell why today is a very, very quiet day. Very, very rangy. Very, very rangy. Oh, look at this 12 o'clock move. 2 o'clock move pushing. What happened then on the 5th? So my session would have been here, yeah, sells. I think it was sells below here. Nice. Clean candles to the left. And then we actually started retreating back up. Lovely. Let's see how I could have got in here. Would have been a spontaneous one at 11:45 right here. Look at that top wick as well. Oh, this is news. I remember now. This is news. Yeah. So I want to touch it for news. Hell no. Look at this volume for Asian. Not in there at all, really. Damn. So we're gonna exceed the low of the previous again. We've already exceeded the low of the previous 30-minute. The hourly is about to close in 8 minutes time. 4 hours complete ranging, guys. Complete ranging. Completely ranging. But tomorrow will be more solid, will be more grounded. Hopefully by today we'll be out of this little range here. Hopefully. And then we can actually get some solid moves. But as I said again, the reason why I entered that lovely trade is because of how price was moving. We were pushing off really nicely here. Really solidly. Oh yeah. 14 viewers, guys. Very quiet day. Very quiet day. We had 50 viewers last week. 50. Still haven't traded. Actually, today was my first losing trade, -3 pips on stream. First losing trade. Lovely stuff. Actually, let me. I'm gonna clip that. I'm gonna clip that one today. Oh, bro, this monitor. If you guys don't have a nice monitor, oh, bro, it's worth it. I'm telling you. My days, so nice. So the hourly and the 4 hour GU is still holding, which is nice. Yeah, it's just rough, guys. Rough today. Unfortunately. So you have to just be very patient. But for later on, we should be good. But sells below here. So what I'm going to do now is I think sells are going to be better for the day. So I'm going to do an alert at 700. Right here. So when we do exceed this here, I'm going to be getting a notification and I can get ready for a trade. Because if we get a close below here, we have got such a nice zone to fill right here. Very nice range here. That's bloody gorgeous. 16 viewers, guys. Welcome. Very quiet day today, guys. But tomorrow we'll be back with a bang. You can see here, even on the 4 hourly now, look at this. We're ranging very hard here. But you need to be able to identify ranges. You need to be able to know if we're ranging. And if it looks like a barcode like this, or well, not even a barcode to be honest, if it looks a bit choppy, you can just stay away from it. Wait until they're clean, like here. I still think if we do flip again the daily, it'll be nice, but at the moment it doesn't look like that. We need to close below for sells and buys above here when we get a closure, and that's what we'll be looking for. So now the 15 minutes exceeded the low nearly, looks like it. So we should start to settle back down to this zone here. Settle back down to the zone. Yeah, boy. Exactly, good. So good discipline, having staying away. The reason why I went into it is because of the London Open, but after I wouldn't have touched it at all. But yeah, like this is, how big is this range? 30 pip range, yeah, that's fair. 30 pip range, unfortunately. But this is the thing, you need to be able to wait. And when you wait and actually get closes below or above, then you get nice trades. You don't have to worry about it. But if you can't, like, stay there feeling happy about not taking any trades in the zone, you're going to be pretty in the shitter. Because a lot of people would just take trades in the zone, in a range when it's raging heavy like this, and then you're just fucked. Unless it's like an open and you're getting closed above resistance, which my resistance zone was here. And we closed above here. I got into this buys about here, And yeah, they ran very, very nicely. 18 viewers highs. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are looking at GJ, GU, and gold today. If you've got any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. I really, really want more engagement in the chat, guys. So charts, psychology questions, personal questions, anything. I want to make this place like family oriented. You know, you feel happy, feel comfortable just saying anything in the chat. I love that. Oh yeah, I would like that a lot. It's going to close in 3 minutes time on the hourly. Let's have a look at the hourly. Yeah, closing very, very bearish in this zone here. So no valid buys at all. Sells below here will be nice. Very, very, very nice. So let's have a look. What you need to do is you need to look at the higher time frames here now. Let's see what the 4 hour is looking like. 4 hour here is in this range here. We have exceeded the high, and we haven't exceeded the low yet. Daily here has now made its top wick, and this is what. If you guys are new to the stream here, I took a nice GJ buy, 10 pips I made at London Open, and the daily didn't have a bullish candle, so bullish top wick. So I was very, very happy to take that trade because I knew it was going to be made. And yeah, it's lovely. Lovely, lovely stuff. Oh god, what is this fucking thing? Oh, fuck off. Look at this twat. Look at this, man. Like, bro, come on. So this is just marketing, by the way, so don't get fooled into that shite. Oh yeah, you know, I help loads of my customers make loads of money, and yeah. Fuck off. No, you don't. No, you don't, boy. You just scam people, boy. I wonder how much they pay for them ads. I bet they fucking run them really well. Yeah. Welcome, welcome everyone. 22 viewers. Let's go, let's go. We had 50 last week. We're going to be good. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure you like the stream. We are waiting for this hourly closure now. So hourly closure right here will give us more indication of where we are going. But it looks pretty bearish to me. Who actually took a trade today? So I took a nice 10 pip trade and a minus 3 pip trade. So wow, look at this. Solid bearish pressure now, coming back down to these lows. Bro, if we come back to down to these lows here, this is going to be very, very nice. Time to get into a trade, I'd say. Let's look at the daily here. Is that the daily low? I hope that's the daily low. Oh no, that's the daily low. Okay, it's not bad, not too bad. Not too bad at all. It's just this zone that I'm not happy with. This zone here is ass. No me gusta. Very rangy. When it's ranging the higher time frames, you know there's an issue. And we need the break below. But it looks like we're going well here. 40 seconds left for this hourly to close right here, guys. So this next 15 minutes, if you can still get a closure below here, that'd be good. Roughly, what is the latest time you look for a trade during London? Probably like 9:15, 9:30. Because as I said, I mean, we can backtest here, guys. We can backtest here. So look here. 6th of August, 2000, no trades at all. But you can still say here, 9:30 finished here. So 9:45, 10. So all of this zone here, barely anything. It's just ranging, kind of not very good. If we go further along, so let's have a look further along. Look at this. This is London. London has a lot of volume right here. Lovely, lovely stuff. If you look further on, so here, look at this. This is what I'm missing here. Look, I'm missing the range. So when I say I'm only trading until 9:30, there's a reason I do that. Not because I'm lazy, not because I'm stupid. It's because I look and I backtest and look, this is what I'm missing. So of course I'm gonna miss this. I don't want to be in this shit anyway. It's boring. I'm not gonna be taking any trades. I'll be just sitting there bored, trying to maybe look for some trades that aren't actually there. I'll do another one. See, I'm not even looking at it. I just know that most times there's not much volume. So here again, guys, so this is why you need to back test and just learn your stuff. So here, London Open, very, very good. We go further along here, guys. Here 9:30, so 9:30 start, 9:30 bit of volume, 9:45 bit of volume, but then here range. So even here this candle closed above, but because there's not enough volume at 11 o'clock, half 10, we didn't break above. So I just wait until half 11, which is here, and then there you go, 11:45. Volume comes in, made its top wick up here. When this flipped, I got into sells at this point. So yeah, that's kind of how it works. Just keeping your time frame. So after half 9, just leave GJ, leave it alone. Oh, we're coming down here now. Lovely. So there's the hourly. Hourly's made a little top wick here. Lovely stuff. Okay, so no impulses here, guys. We're waiting for a 15-minute closure below this zone right here. 152,700. And because it's my third trade or whatever, I'm going to be making sure I am okay. So what I'm going to be doing is this candle. Oh, wow. This is moving too quickly for me, but what I'm wanting is this candle to close bearish like this. I'll only look for trades when it makes this top wick up here, and then if we flip, then I'll be getting the trade right there. That is what I will be looking for. So look at this, I've got an alert. The alert that is set. So if this dome straight away, that's fine. But I'm waiting for a closure below. That would be beautiful for me, because as you can see, the reason why I look for closures right here, guys, is because we have wicks right here, and we need to be careful because all these wicks tapped the zone and rejected it. So we need to be careful and wait for a closure, because that's more confirmation we are going down. But look at this bearish stuff here, lovely stuff. Closing back in the zone here, we've flown back down. Yes, very good. Let's have a look. Yeah, so I think 15-minute closures will be fine. As long as it makes a top wick up and then exceeds, I'll happily take that every day. And this zone here is so nice. Wow, 30 pip zone. Very nice. So that's good that we're already leaving the zone already, which I'm very happy for, because that zone is ass. So yeah, guys, quite a quiet start, guys. Not too bad. Not many people are live on Mondays, but tomorrow make sure to be here 7:30, and I'll be catching them trades again. At 11 minutes time, we need this closure, and we'll see. If you get this closure at 11 minutes time, I may stay on, but if you don't, I'll maybe queue. If price pushes this hard, would you rather wait for a support to form and execute at the break of the lows, or immediately on the next bearish candle creating top wick, disregarding the push phase? No, because basically the reason why I'm happy to take that is because if this closes below this resistance here, then makes its top wick back up here, then flips, this kind of suggests to me that this candle's pushed all the way back in the zone. It's starting to reject because it's pushing out of the zone, and then when we flip, we're actually leaving the zone. So where are we going to go now? We've got momentum, it's already pushed. We're going to come back into this zone here, right? So that's kind of why I don't need to, I don't care about this pushing hard, because if we are breaking lower zones here and we're closing below, it's definitely still going to run up. It's probably better to look at this, and there's a lot of volume. More volume is better. Even though it has moved a lot there, it doesn't really matter. As long as we get this close below and making a top wick and then exceed, we're fine. The reason why I wait for the top wick is because I don't want to be faked out, and that will take out the faked out position here, waiting for the top wick. And then when we start flipping, we are leaving this zone. So if we leave this zone right here, we are going to go and fall back into this zone here. So this is the reason why I am happy to take this. Very solid candles here, nice. So yeah, 9 minutes time to wait for this closure, and it should be good. It should be good. Oh my god, my cup of tea is completely forgot about. We should be very, very, very good for closures. Yeah, so the reason why is because these wicks here, I don't really care. I just want this to closure here, and make sure that I don't get wicked out, and that'll be nice. So I just need the closure. And if this closure is literally on this line here, I don't care, because this will be a clear support here. I only care if it closes below. Anyway, if this doesn't happen here, it'll be here for NY, which will also be grand. Oh god. But yeah, good Monday morning, guys. Welcome if you're new to the stream. 18 viewers, lovely stuff, lovely stuff. We're waiting for this closure. 8 minutes time. Really waiting for this closure. Be nice to give me some momentum. See what the 5 minutes doing. Yes, it's reacting off this level here. That's why it's so important to wait for the closure. Let's see his GU. Is GU running? Why the fuck has that just beat me again? So same with GU, waiting for a closure probably below this zone right here. Let's have a look. Yeah. 4 hours, very bearish. Big rejection there. Very bearish. Big rejections. Oh my god. Look at this. So these big wicks here, but there's no point doing impulses here. A lot of people want to try and make impulses here, but there's no point. We wait for the close. I tell you, we wait for the closure, boy. Closure. 50-minute closure would be sufficient for me. Do you ever execute on candle openings? For example, price creates a high, retrace to create support. Would you ever execute on a candle opening, or always wait? I normally wait for the bottom or top wick. There's no point for the close. If I execute on a candle opening, I always take drawdown, basically, because it's just making it top wick or bottom wick. So I'd rather not have the drawdown. So yeah, I wait until the bottom wick or the top wick, and it also means I don't get faked out or anything. So that's why I quite like it. So 6 minutes time, this is good. So already I'm starting to see that there's these 5 minutes here, even though they're coming back up, they are starting to push further down, which is rather nice. 17 viewers in the chat, jeez. For a Monday morning, we're doing well. Look at this, so this is looking good now. Just need this closure in 5 minutes time. Oh my god. That's just gonna be fire, boy. Oh my days, wow. Wowza smowza. So yeah, we're just waiting for this closure here, right now. And the reason why I like this now is also because I can expect a top wick, because we'll be making top wicks over here. Nice long top wicks, about 4 pips. So that's happy. I'm happy with that. Let's just get my MetaTrader up. Open calc. So let's see how stops would be and stuff like that. So let's have a look. Nice. So the next zone, full TP, would be 400 level. Nice. It's a big zone, man. Very solid zone. But we still need to wait for this closure. Where would your target now? Your target would be 152.4, because if you look left, that is clean candles. Clean candles back down to the zone. This is the next support here. But first of all, I need the closure. I need the closure, I need the top wick, and then boom. Top wick probably around 700. Then when we flip here, then that'll be a 6 pip stop. That's quite good. That's what I'm looking for here. So if wick goes up to here. Yeah, that's worth it. That will be very, very worth it. Do, 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 do. So closure now, lovely. 3 minutes time. This is going to be looking good. Now I need this top wick, and it'll be grand. So well done for everyone staying, man. 17 likes on the stream, lovely, lovely stuff. If we get a dub in this chat, or if you get a lose in this chat, we're going to be grand here, guys. 3 minutes time, we're closing here. Below support. The higher the wick, the better, to be honest. If we do stop running here, that will be done. But 3 minutes time, we do have a lot of potential here. So, yeah, any kind of closure here, I don't really care. Any kind of area. If it goes out down here, it's quite far into the zone. I'd prefer it to stay above. If it goes kind of closes nicely below support, you'd execute on the flip, not the break of the low. Depends, it depends. If it breaks the low straight away, then no. If it breaks the low later on, then yeah, and that's normally when the top wick's made as well. So yeah, I just wait for the top wick, bro. Exceeding the low could work, but if it does it straight away, then Mac, when you started trading, how did you gain confidence to actually trust your analysis and actually enter the trade? Did you have fear? Well, obviously have fear at the start, but basically what you do is you go back through the days, the weeks, the months, every single session, and basically write down what you would have done. And be honest with yourself. Would you have taken this trade? Would you have not? And then you've got a kind of a portfolio of how much you're going to win, how much you're going to lose, and then you trust your analysis if it works. If you can back test on it and make sure you've got a certain win rate and all that kind of stuff, yeah, you'll be grand. But yeah, like using the function here, like the replay function here, really helps. Just going back on months and just basically seeing, can you get these trades? If so, then amazing. So this top wick here hasn't made its top wick yet, so that's fine. We'll just wait for this closure, which we're going to get in 2 minutes time, guys. That's a really good question, Brad. Keep them up there, really good questions. But yeah, so at the start you have fear and stuff, but that you realise that fear means you get out of trades early, or you move your stop loss, and it's just stupid. So yeah, the first thing you need to do is get your analysis correct. So if this closes here about 700, I am not taking a trade. I won't be looking at any trades. I want a closure below this zone here. And if it closes on it like this, then there's no trade for me. This is why waiting for candles is so important. You'll let you see it in the flesh here. If it closes right there, I ain't taking a trade because we're closing on support. If it closes a bit further down, much better. Trim that up a bit, like here. So nice. So 45 seconds, guys. Seems like price is reacting to previous resistance to the left. What do you mean here? This zone here is so nice, man. Oh, bliss. So in 26 time we're going to close. I'm waiting for this top wick. This 5 minutes is going to close, a bit bullish. So this is why, getting in straight away cannot be the best thing. Wait until the top wick's made, and then if you do flip, then there's a good chance that we're going to continue right here. But you have to wait for the flip. 152,600. Yeah, this zone's here. Yeah, that's fine. But at that point, I would be taking profits anyway. So this is good. Yes, get up. Yes, this is good. So I'm hoping the first 5 minutes we just chill in here. But then if you do flip here, if you flip this straight away, I'm not interested. But this is looking good. 4 minutes time. 4 minutes. 4 minutes time. So yeah. So if this flips now, I don't really want to do it. It'd be later on in the candle. So it's got 40 minutes left. I prefer it to be later on. Yeah, no bottom wick. This is good. So this is why I'm even more intrigued, because it would like you're going to make the bottom wick. And then when we do flip, Ooh, that'd be nice. This is good, pulling up. 4 hour closing. Yeah, in 44 minutes time though. That'll be before this will be finished. Could retrace for the new 4 hour wick. Well, at the moment, if you get a closure here, if it retraces back up here, that's fine. If it retraces, guys, remember, I'm not going to be in the trade. Like, if this retraces all the way back up here, that's fine. If we do pass these lows here, I'm going to get in, but this is going to be later on in the candle, so I'll know a bit more. I'll have a bit more data to show. But if this pushes back up in here, then yeah, it's going to be faked out, and it's going to do exactly what you see here. The 4 hour is going to push back up to its support up here, which is fine. But for me, if this candle does flip in about 2 or 3 minutes time, I may be inclined to enter. So I'm going to actually record this just in case. So if we do flip here now, let's have a look here. Stop loss is quite small, which is a bit unfortunate. I wanted to make a bit of a bigger wick, to be honest. So I'm hoping to get a bit of a bigger wick, because at the moment it's quite a small wick. Yeah, so I wanted to relax a bit more here because I'm looking at the how many minutes you've got or less of this candle. We've got 12 minutes. I don't want it to be running off straight away because that'll mean I'm expecting price to push literally for 12 minutes straight. But if price does flip now, I could do a market execution with a 3 pip stop loss. So we're going to be flipping soon. This is fine. Let's look at the 5 minute here. So with the flip, you'd wait about 3 or 4 minutes into the candle. Yeah. So it's been 3 minutes. Nice. So yeah, I'm happy to take this trade here. We do flip. We haven't flipped yet. I'm looking at my MetaTrader here. Right, we have flipped nearly. Right, I'm gonna enter trade here, guys. This is gonna be my last trade of the session here, guys. Stop loss is very, very tight again. We should be leaving the zone now. I expect price and volume to push down here. We made the top wick here, guys. Give it a like on the stream, guys. How am I going to manage risk? Well, my stop loss is very small already, so I don't really care. And I expect volume to push it. If we do exceed here, I'll be taking a nice 4 pip thing, which is fine. It means for the stream, I would have made 3. So the maximum I would have made here is 3 pips for the stream. Taking 3 trades. But this is a really, really good kind of thing here. As long as we flipped and we exceed and we start pushing down, we should be good here. And I've got some nice targets here, guys. So because we've got this closure below, very, very happy to hold it. I'm up 1 pips at the moment. We should still continue here to fill this wick. When we get to this wick here, I'll be putting my stops to break even at that point. 30 minutes coming down, 5 minutes coming down. 5 minutes is a bit risky, but apart from that, we should be good. So look very calm, guys. We're doing well. Wait for that flip. Get a like on the stream, guys, showing you how to do it. I take this trade every single day, guys, every single day. Very much so. We're breaking support here. We should be starting to continue down back to these lows here, guys. Very, very nice stop loss as well. Good risk to reward here. I'm expecting price to start running nicely. For me, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Give me some tips, please. Thank you very much. So my TP is going to be 10 pips. I'll be taking stuff off. And yeah. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. Look at the hourly. 30 minute, nice. 15 minute, nice. All in my direction here, guys. Give a like on the stream, guys. Lovely stuff. I'm up, still at only 1 pip, which is annoying. Coming back to entry. I'm still happily going to hold this on. Lovely stuff, guys. Lovely stuff. So momentum, we did flip. We should be still continuing unless this is a big support. But we've closed below, so I'm going to take this trade every single day. Every single day. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. You can see, even when we're, hovering around our entry, I don't care because I've done this trade so many times and really good risk to reward as well. Because TP is going to be nice, 10 pips, and my stop loss is only what? How's my stop loss? 4.7. Lovely stuff. As long as we don't really flip it, we're going to be good. And I want it to get this volume, this last volume for London session to finish off this stream. We've got 19 likes in the chat, guys. If we get this dub here, I'm wanting W's in the chat, okay? If we don't get W's, I'm wanting L's in the chat. It's 5 minutes here, as long as we flip here. Oof, that'll be nice. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. Great morning. How much am I risking on here? Yes, grand. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. It's bearish pressure, man. Overall, lovely stuff. So we're coming up to here, but I'm going to hold the full TP. That's fine with me. Completely fine. We've got the closure below. That's all I care about. Closure below and a wick fill. Hello? Hello? Oh, sorry. Squad doing stuff, random stuff. So what did I get in there? I got in at 687. So actually further here. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. What, did you just get moved out? Why? Oh shit. So -2 pips profit here. All good, all good. So let's have a look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes coming back up. So it looks like we can be holding this, even though we closed below. Sorry. Look at this 30 minute here. Come on, GJ. Finished off the stream nicely. 20 likes in this chat. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. So we've got. So look, this is the perfect time now. We've got 7 minutes left. 7 minutes. What time do you have in that? We have literally half of the 50-minute candle here. We should start pushing nicely. And if not, we're good. Just hovering here. It's really, really struggling to break. You can see. Look left here. We've closed below though, so that's good. 21 likes. Lovely stuff, guys. 21 viewers. Lovely stuff. 6 minutes 26 left. Lovely stuff. Let's have a look here. Yeah, very, very nice stop. Very, very happy with that. Because of this bearish pressure, really should push. Starting to push within the last 5 minutes, I'd say. If not, it's going to be expecting, and it's going to be a nice fake out. And this is going to be a double fake out because obviously people are getting into the closures here. They find it hard. But yeah, we flipped. Beautiful trade. We'll take this every single day of the week. Let's look at this 30 minute here, guys. Let's have a look. Lovely, lovely stuff. So waiting for a 30 minute to give you more confirmation here, guys, but it's fine. Towards the end of the session as well, guys, so remember volume will start to die down now. We're coming back up here. We're coming back up here. It means that this will be a fake out. And a fake out is basically when price makes a low and closes below a support, and then actually the next candle closes back in. So it's kind of, these happen every so often. You have to be able to get used to them, and that's how you deal with them. So now 5 minutes closed back in. So I might have to take some risk off here. Nah, leave it on. So these 3 pips. All good. All good. So this 30 minutes is going to give you more indications. If you look here, guys, 30 minute candle is going to close. If it closes below here, oh, that'll be good. That's what you need to do. You need to wait. You need to think of, is a lot of volume here. Should I wait for the 30 to close or should I wait for the 15? I thought 15 was valid here. Very, very valid. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. So yeah, we need to wait for this 30-minute to close. This 30-minute can close below. Oh, this would be nice for a good drop. But you need to also see the time now. It's 9:30. Is there going to be much chance of any more volume? We don't know. So here we go, guys. Gonna be out here. 3 minutes time. Let's have a look. There we go, guys. Lovely stuff. So let's do this on our OBS, guys. Lovely, lovely stuff. I need to make this small. I think like here. That'd be nice. So that would take that every single day. If this was a London Open trade, so if this closed London Open, oh my god, wait for that top wick, that would have flied. So obviously it depends. So now we know that, you know, even towards 9:30, volume isn't here for continuation. The 30-minute is still valid. When does the 30-minute close? 3 minutes time. As long as it closes below, but it doesn't really look like it's going to now. In 3 minutes time, guys. 23 viewers. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. Lovely stuff. So yeah, let's delete this now. So we wait for the flip, and the flip could not push it. So if you look at the 5-minute here, we closed back in this range, and it couldn't hold it anymore. 21 likes. Lovely stuff, guys. Lovely stuff. So yeah, so now look, can you see this holding support here now, guys? Holding it pretty harshly. We'll come back, NY. Yes, sir. So yeah, NY, we could see continuation. Maybe wait for the 30 again to close bearish properly. Yeah, you'll have to just wait. Lovely stuff, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna head off here, guys, but I hope you enjoyed the stream. Lovely stuff. We got some nice trades in today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So see you guys tomorrow, guys. Yeah, 21 likes. Lovely stuff. Give it a like if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next stream. See you later, guys.